Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, which is a electron carrier, and it is involved in the oxidation reduction reactions in the different metabolic pathways. So what is the structure of the NAD? Okay, जो आपके पास NAD है, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, how its structures looks like. So first of all, I divided this nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide into three parts. First, you will learn about what is nicotinamide, then what is adenine, and then what is dinucleotide, and then collectively, what does this nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide structure looks like. Now, first of all, let's see for the nicotinamide, that what is this nicotinamide in this NAD structure. Because this nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, what does this nicotinamide means? So nicotinamide stands for nicotinic acid. The nicotinic acid is also known as niacin. So the niacin or nicotinic acid is basically is the vitamin B3. Okay, vitamin B3 niacin. So this is the structure of the vitamin B3 niacin, or also known as nicotinic acid, which has the carboxyl group at third carbon. Okay, at the third carbon, at the third position, it has the carboxyl group. And then what is the nicotinamide? Nicotinamide is the amine form of this niacin. Because vitamin B3 है, vitamin B3 niacin, nicotinic acid, the amide form of the niacin or nicotinic acid is the nicotinamide. When the amino group is attached to this carboxyl group, okay, then it will become the nicotinamide. And then from the nicotinamide, again, you can get the niacin or nicotinic acid by deamidation reaction. Okay, when there is a deamidation, that the removal of this amino group, then you will again get this nicotinic acid or niacin. Okay, so the amide form of the nicotinic acid or niacin is known as nicotinamide, as it has given the amino group at this position. Now let's come to the adenine. What is adenine? Adenine is basically the nitrogenous base. Okay, this adenine is this is the structure of the adenine. Adenine is also known as 6-amino purine because it has amino group attached at 6th position, and the other group can be attached at this 9th position. Okay, 9 nitrogen पे the other group can be attached. So this is the structure of the adenine. Adenine is the nitrogenous base, which is also known as 6-amino purine, as there are 4 nucleotide bases. So there are 4 uracil, there are 5 nucleotide bases. So adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. These 2 bases are known as purines, as it is having the double ring structure. ठीक है, सबका double ring structure होते हैं, and cytosine and thymine are the single ring structure, and they are known as pyrimidine. Okay, uracil is also known as pyrimidine. So cytosine and thymine, there are 4 nitrogen bases present inside the human body that are used in the synthesis of the DNA and RNA, and these have also other functions. So cytosine and thymine are the pyrimidines, and adenine and guanine are the purines. So among them, this is the structure of the adenine that is involved in the synthesis of the NAD. Then what are nucleotides? As we studied about the bases, आपके पास adenine है, and then there are 4 bases, but among them the adenine is used in the synthesis of the NAD. Now what are nucleotides? Nucleotides are basically the combination of 3 things, that it is composed of the nitrogenous base, as we studied that there are 4 bases, 2 are purines and 2 are pyrimidines. So this is the double ring structure, so it is the purine. So this the nucleotide is the combination of 3 things, right? It's the combination of 3 things. It's the combination of nitrogenous base together with the ribose and phosphate. So nitrogenous base plus ribose sugar plus sugar, and together with the phosphate, it makes up the structure of the nucleotide. Nucleotide is composed of nitrogenous bases, sugar, and phosphate group. And without phosphate, it will be known as nucleoside. And together with the phosphate, this whole structure is known as nucleotide. So why we studied about nucleotide? Because we are studying the NAD, so nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. So we studied these 3 terminologies, like nicotinamide as you see, nicotinamide is the amide form of the niacin or nicotinic acid. Then adenine is one of the nitrogenous base, and which is the 6-aminopurine. And then nucleotide. Nucleotide is the combination of three things, that it is composed of base, ribose, matlab sugar, and phosphate. Now let's see the structure of the NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. So it means that, as the name indicates, adenine dinucleotide, it means that it consists of two nucleotides. Okay, now let's make first the one nucleotide and then make the other nucleotide. As we studied about this nicotinamide, okay, as we previously saw about the nicotinamide structure, that this is the structure of the niacin. Okay, carboxyl group is present, and together carboxyl group, it is aminated. Okay, when the amino group is attached, then it will become nicotinamide. Nicotinic acid, when it is aminated, when the amino group is attached, then it will become nicotinamide. Then together with the nicotinamide, the ribose, the sugar is attached. Nicotinamide together with the ribose and together with the phosphate, it makes up the one nucleotide. But in this nucleotide, the base is the nicotinamide, and there will be the ribose and there will be the phosphate. So as you know, the nucleotide structure is consists of three things. It consists of base, a sugar, and the phosphate group. So this is one nucleotide. This is one nucleotide which is having the three things, as the nucleotide consists of the base, sugar, and phosphate. But in this case, in this nucleotide, the base is the nicotinamide. Now let's come to the other nucleotide. This is the other nucleotide which is having the nitrogenous base, sugar, and phosphate. This is the other structure of the nucleotide. But in this nucleotide, the base is the adenine. The nitrogenous base will be the adenine. Together with the adenine, the sugar is attached to its nitrogen atom, and the phosphate is attached. So this is the other nucleotide. So this is the one nucleotide which is containing the, but in this case, the difference between this nucleotide and this nucleotide is of the base. That in this case, the base is the nicotinamide, and in this case, the base is the adenine. So these two nucleotides, this is one nucleotide and this is one nucleotide. Now these two nucleotides will be linked through its phosphate group. Through its phosphate group, these two nucleotides will form a bond. Then what will happen? It will become dinucleotide. That this one nucleotide and this second nucleotide, and it will become two nucleotides. So that's why it is known as a dinucleotide. Okay. So one nucleotide and the other nucleotide, and they are joined together by their phosphate groups. Then the phosphate groups will make a ester bond, will make a bond, and they will be linked through these phosphate linkages. Now, this whole structure will be known as nicotinamide adenine, because these two nucleotides differ only in their base, as this nucleotide has the base nicotinamide and this nucleotide has the base adenine, nitrogenous base adenine, but the ribose are the same and the phosphate are the same. Now, what will be the name of this whole structure? It will be the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, because it is having the two nucleotides. So that's why it will be known as dinucleotide. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. So this is the whole structure for the nicotinamide. Now there is other carrier which is the NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. As NAD is involved in the oxidation reduction reactions, as it is a electron carrier, and NADP is also having the oxidation and reduction properties, but it is involved, but it has other functions. It is mostly involved in the synthesis of fatty acids. So NADP, when this NAD gets phosphorylated at this position, at second carbon, the phosphate group is attached to the NAD, then it will become NADP. NADP is the same, just NADP is the functional modification, is the structural modification of the NAD. Okay, the other structure is the same, but only it has the additional phosphate group, then it will become the NADP. But the NAD and the NADP has the structural similarities, but their functions are totally different. They have total different functions, as NADP is involved in the different synthetic reactions, and also involved in the redox